I'm really supposed to be lowering the car, but freaking window broke, so let's fix that today. And here is the hot rod. Flip the frame around, the front end is done, so now we gotta work on the back. But today, we are gonna be fixing this window, because it does not want to go up. So let's take the door panel off and see where we're stuck. Alright, first thing we're gonna remove is this, and then just unplug it. Alright, next thing is you want to pop it from the front, just like that, and unplug it. As you can see, the clip is the front and clip is in the back. So there are hidden screws. So there is one hidden screw here, one hidden screw here. There are one right here and one down here. There's two here. So let's pop this plastic off. So you gotta push it from down up. And then this one. There are two clips here. I actually had to use a screwdriver because plastic was just bending on me. And this one is 230, and same story goes for this guy. He is 230. So let's remove these two. There are 3 more screws on the bottom and an additional 7mm right here. Oh, nice. And now they should be able to lift the door up and take it apart. Nice. Nice. Bunch of crap came up. Alright, and there is a couple of more things to unplug here. And a speaker and a door hinge. So this one's got to come off, and that speaker's got to come off too. To get this thing off, I literally grabbed the pliers from the back and I just squeezed it like that, and it just slid out and it came off. Alright, let's see what the problem is behind this. Yep, I think I found my problem. Alright, so now I gotta lift up the window somehow to get to these screws, and there are screws over here. This one looks like it's visible behind there, but this one I'll have to lift up the window. yeah, she's going, but really hard. Let me see if I can assist it. Probably not. But I'm gonna plug this bad boy back in. Let's see. If we can do assistions. Alright, take off the window by unscrewing that screw and unscrewing this screw here and just slide it back up. So this track looked like thing fell off of it. I thought I could put it back on, but this screw wasn't even on, so somebody was in here before. So I took this one off. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this one and this one out and plug this bad boy, maybe a couple more of these screws, bring the whole thing out with the motor, and let's see what's going on. Alright, here is how it's looking when it comes out of the car. As you can see, it's twisted. So that's how it should go back into the car. So yeah, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws, and everything comes out as a unit. So what's wrong with mine? Mine is messed up. It just got untangled, and I don't think there is anything I can do to fix this. I think it just gave out. Alright, let's get the motor off and let's see what's going on here. So it's at 330, I believe. I think this is the problem. Yeah, there's no fixing this. It broke. Or maybe this thing. It chopped up. No, that should be good. I got tangled in here. Yep. Yep. I mean, there's a possibility you can straighten that out, but probably not. Alright, so to fix this, we just have to order a new one and install it back the same way. It's like 117 bucks, but in my defense, I'm gonna show you my arsenal. For my OG followers, sneak peek into my ta-da I know it's bad, but I need all these parts for the old car, and then it's gonna go out. Alright, so you just gotta repeat the process on this guy and get the thing out. Alright, the piece has been taken off. Basically Ford OEM, so by the looks of this is where you adjust it, and this looks like same distance as the old one, so I'm just gonna reinstall this the way we took it off. Basically try to go in like that. I'm gonna keep the motor on there too, I'm not taking that off, just keeping everything as is. So let's reinstall it and see how she do. She needs adjustment in the front. The back looks good, just the front's gotta come up. So I'll adjust that and finish the door and show you the finished product. I want to show you how to quickly adjust this. See this screw that holds the glass? Literally, you untighten it and move the glass up and down. Do not mess with the track. That's already there where it's supposed to be. You can adjust the window by unscrewing this screw. So I raise the back a little bit. So unscrew this guy, and based on pushing the window up, you can see it move. So look right there. She's good to go. It's sealed. So good right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out the video on this bad boy. Front end is done. Turn it around, we gotta do the back end. And we'll get things moving in this channel a little bit. I gotta clean up this and finish it up.